Young people need more than knowledge. They also need a vision of their future. When educational institutions help students discover careers, develop skills, and build professional pathways, the benefits extend far beyond the individual. A young person who sees opportunities ahead is less likely to face long term unemployment, social exclusion, or frustration. As a result, public trust grows, social stability improves, and communities become stronger. Investing in education means investing in a peaceful and harmonious future.